Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca Shanice and I'm here with a new video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. So let's go ahead and jump on in the video. So as y'all can see, I decided to make me some cereal. Then I came in my room and turned on Chicago Fire. Y'all check out my room. So I'm in the process of cleaning out my closet. I just threw everything on the bed and this is what everything is looking like. I decided to get my winter clothes out and go through them and see what I want and what I don't want. And here is a view of my closet. I decided to change it. First it was side by side, so now this time I decided to stack them, and I'm just wiping the cubes out and I'm about to put the clothes back in. I want to apologize for how it's getting light and dark. I didn't lock my exposure at this clip. Also, what have you all been up to? I do apologize for not posting no vlog last week. I kind of got motivated, but I'm back with more videos and more to come because I'm doing Vlogmas for the month of December. So y'all please stay tuned for that. So y'all, here it is 2 days later. It's Sunday. I'm just turning my wax pot on, opening my blinds, and I'm getting ready to make me some coffee. So here I'm just wiping my table off. Then I'm going to add my placemats back up there. And then I'm going to add a candle and light that. So I had already started me a load of laundry. Now I'm just adding the fabric softener. Now y'all already know it wouldn't be a Sunday without me watching Rock City Church, Pastor Mike. Okay, so this is what my closet is looking like now. I still got to go through this and get that straight because I don't really want to have anything down there unless I might have like a couple shoes stacked up over there. But yeah, I like how it turned out. Yeah, so I'm in the middle of cleaning up, trying to get ready, and also recording my Vlogmas intro. If you do not know, I will be doing Vlogmas this year. But anyways, So I switched out that vase for this, for my little setup. And yeah, I was like, I smell something burning. Child. Y'all look at this. I done burnt my tree. I done burnt my tree. But yeah, anywho. So now, y'all, we are about to head to my grandma's house. Hopefully she cooks something good. Right, Zoe?
Yeah, please, honey. But you better not cook something gross.
Do you think you need to bring a pizza?
Oh, yeah, you're probably right. Yeah, I just oh, really throw up. Or worse, puke.
Now look at me. Came outside with bare shoes on. Let's try this again. Okay. There is not a Sunday that we do not watch football. My granddaddy, it's a must for us to watch football. So I was about to start wrapping some gifts because I had this idea for my Vlogmas intro. I wanted to do with like gift wrapping or whatever. But the tape that I have, it's not sticking to my wrapping paper. I don't know what the problem is, but I think of the type of texture that my wrapping paper is, my tape is not sticking. So yeah, I don't know. But anywho, I'm just about to turn on the TV and watch Power. And y'all, I know I put my Christmas tree up early, but I'm not turning my lights on until after Christmas. I mean, not after Christmas, after Thanksgiving. But anywho, yeah, I'm about to turn on some Power and watch that, and also watch BMF because I've been catching up on that. And I also caught up on All American season 4. Okay, y'all, so I just got finished doing my hair. Today is Monday. See my hair. But yeah, the video on how I retwisted my hair will be up before this video, so y'all go check that video out. Also, now I'm about to get me a shower because we're about to go out to dinner for one of my cousin's birthday. I'm not gonna be trying to dress up, just something comfortable because it is cold out there, and I pray I don't get sick because I didn't like wash my hair. I just like damp my hair, damp my roots, so I can retwist my hair. But yeah, I should be taking a shower, but yeah, I gotta take a shower. But yeah, I'll check back in with y'all in a few. So this is the fit, just something simple. Yeah, simple shirt. That's it. Need to put some earrings on, and your girl be good to go. I know y'all probably thinking like, y'all family take birthdays serious, which we do, and we all like to make everyone feel loved on their birthday. We love spending time with family, so yeah, we do take it pretty serious. So now the family is just finally rolling on in. It's my cousin Justin and my brother Devon's birthday. Y'all, when I tell you that salad bar was bomb, that salad bar was bomb. I wish I had some right now. And my food was good too. The chicken breast, the baked potato, I loaded it. And that toast, oh my God, everything was good. And it had my stomach hurting, y'all. Like, TMI, I'm sorry, but yeah, it was good though. I was so full where, you know how you be so full and you feel sick? That's how I felt. But now we're just about to wrap up and head home. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything I have said, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.